Today we're out at RA Bistro in Lynchburg talking to the folks with AMPM 365 Insurance. And the exciting thing today is one of the folks joining us is actually a watcher of the show, and she got a job with AMPM. So we're talking more about getting a job today and exactly what AMPM sells. And let's talk about what you guys do, because this is about insurance, right?
Absolutely. So what we do is two components. It is a cash insurance benefit and family support services. So what we do specifically is we go to the seniors' homes that are interested, and we tell them about how we pay out in 24 hours. So their families have the money right away to take care of those funeral expenses. So there's no worry, or how am I going to pay for this? So it solves a lot of problems, and it makes us feel really good that we can, help that community. And we also are able to help people with some pre-existing conditions. So that's a huge bonus for the agent and for the client, because the client sometimes they have problems, getting insurance if you're not the healthiest. And so it makes us feel good that we can help them, and also we don't have to walk away from business either. So we get paid daily, which is great. Now, the other component is a family support service. It's an advocacy program. It's absolutely free for the client. And what will happen is when the client passes away, all their wishes will be on file. And all the family has to do is just make one simple phone call. And with one simple phone call, a team of experts will then step in and call the funeral homes for the family and help facilitate the process. And last year, we saved our families through this free program $13.5 million. Wow. So they help, the families have there's consumer protection that we provide so they don't overspend, especially emotionally. And it's just phenomenal. It saves families time, it saves families money, and it saves them from those unwanted stresses.
And then also, you're always looking for new people to work with you, like Clementine, who watched Living in the Heart of Virginia. And basically, you're meeting them, you're hanging out, you're getting to know them. This is kind of a fun, laid-back atmosphere.
Yeah, when our company, Lincoln Heritage, the insurance carrier, is a family-owned and operated company. And that's the same kind of atmosphere that we have here. When you're here, you're part of a team, you're part of an amazing and supportive culture. And our success is your success, and your success is ours. So we collaborate, and we work together. It's a marriage almost. And we're in it for the long haul, and it's a career that you can truly retire with. And we are looking for more people in this area because there is a huge demand. There's a lot of seniors. They don't have either enough insurance or any insurance at all. So it's a good problem to have for us.
And Clementine, it's so exciting to have you on here. Talk about how you saw this on the show and, the steps that led you up to this point, because it's your first month and you've already made 11 sales.
Yes. And yes, I was watching Living in the Heart of Virginia, having lunch, and just walking about, taking my dishes to the dishwasher. And I heard Lincoln Heritage Life Insurance, and the number was there, and I called to see about getting a job. Because I didn't know what I wanted to do, just finished college, and didn't really know what I wanted to do. So let's see about this. Residual income, I don't mind.
Right.
And so I called, and they invited me to one of their meetings. I came, and I was very impressed at what I heard. Not so much about the money, but about helping people that are in need. Then I came to a big program that they had where a CEO was here that was telling about how they protect people from being overly charged from funeral homes. That blew me away. Now, with my experience in the field, meeting people and finding out the stories, hearing the stories of how they had policies amounting to a certain amount of money, but the funeral didn't cost that much. That tore me apart. I knew that this job was for me, this business. Meeting people I love, when I love to talk, as you know. And I love helping people. We know that if we're alive, we're living, but we're surely going to die. And there's so many people that don't have insurance or have the wrong insurance plan that's going to end, and they don't know it.
You can meet or go bowling with the folks with AMPM this Friday from 4 to 7 at AMF Lynchburg Lanes. To learn more about this event or AMPM, you can give them a ring at 1-800-314-4133 online at ampm365insurance.com or on Facebook at AMPM 24/7-365. And we'll be right back.